Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to open a local Eclectic mystery box. I did one of these last year and I thought it was so fun, so I figured let's do another one. It's been a year. I feel like that's ample time for them to mix up what comes in the mystery box, because I have in the reviews occasionally seen people who end up with repeats of the same items when they order boxes too close together. So a year should be plenty of time, and I just think it's kind of fun. I liked most of what I got in my last one, so I'm interested to see what comes in this one. It is a $59 box, at least now it's $59. I don't remember what it was last year. And I think you're supposed to get 3 items in it. So, I don't know if a ring is going to come in it, but they do ask for your ring size, since that is a piece of jewelry that requires sizing. But before we open that, I did want to make note that I am wearing the Medusa's Makeup lip balm in the color DM that recently came in our November box. And it is very pretty. It is sheer, but gives a wash of color. On camera, it's looking a little more brown red, but in person, it just looks a little strawberry popsicle red. But either way, I think it's a really, really pretty color. So that is what is on my lips. I didn't wear anything else worth noting, but I am wearing my beautiful Samantha pleat dress today that I love. So just throwing that out there. I'll link to that down below. I think it's still in stock on her website, but it is a little pricey. But yeah, I love it. I love it. This dress is amazing. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at what came in this mystery box. I have cut the tape so I can get into it, but I have not looked in it yet, so this is a complete mystery to me. So we open it and it says, "The moment you've been waiting for," and we have all of our stuff wrapped in tissue paper. So I'm going to pull that out. And I'm going to, oh yep, I'm going to do it. I'm going to rip the sticker and the tissue paper. So on top we have the Jewelry Care 101, which I believe they send out in most of their orders, just how to properly care for your jewelry. And then we have, this as my invoice, we don't need to show that. And then here is the box. So all 3 items must be in this one little box. So let's go ahead and open it. So the first thing we have, it looks like a ring. It says, "For you with love." I don't know. Oh, that all of the little packets say that. So maybe that's just a little sticker they were sticking on things. So I put in the size 7 because that's what most of my non-ring fingers are. I already wear things on my wedding ring finger, and then I wear something in the middle over here when I'm wearing my rings, so I don't want something for that ring finger. So here's how it fits. It's kind of a like a pillowy, stripy situation, and I actually think that's really cool. I would actually see myself wearing that, so I'm pretty pleased with the ring. Let's keep going. I have 2 sets of earrings that came in here. And earrings are probably my most worn piece of jewelry, so I'm not mad to get 2 sets. So these are little hoops, but they're stud hoops. This is such a hard video to like show what's going on. Come on. So they're like little stud hoops. Flip it around so you can see. And there's like little dots, little rounded bits in the gold, and then a jewel in the front. And the jewel looks like an opal. It looks opalescent. So yeah, I don't know if I love these or not. I feel like I'm gonna have to wear them to see. You know what, I'm gonna grab my mirror. I'm just gonna put them in and see what they look like on. Why not? Please don't judge how dirty my mirror is. Funny enough, I am wearing my local Eclectic Huggies right now, so that's interesting that I'm doing a video for local Eclectic and I'm wearing a local Eclectic item. So, oh, when you put them on, they end up kind of looking like Huggies. That's kind of cool. So they look like Huggies, but they're studs. So let me come in a little closer. So, as you can see, got it clipped in and it wraps around the ear, so it does look like a Huggy, but it's a stud. That's kind of cool. Something you could wear if you don't have what am I trying to say? Something you wear if you have like a longer lobe and your piercing is a little higher, so you can use it like as a stud instead of a huggy, because I know some ears can probably get squished in these tiny little huggies. But yeah, I'm not mad at them. Okay, I'm just gonna put in one for now because I got another pair of earrings in here. Let's open these up. So these are studs, and it looks like they are like there's a gold dot in the middle and then 4 stones around it, and they're either like diamonds or CZs or something. This one's gonna be really hard to see. Maybe you can kind of see. So I like these because they're very plain. Oh, it would help if I took the other earring out, wouldn't it? Let me take a gander at how these look in. So yeah, they're just a plain little stud. I actually don't have anything that's just kind of a plain diamondy stud. So this is sort of filling a need, an empty space I had in my collection. But I will say, I don't find either of the earrings all that exciting. They're both very, like, basic parts of an earring collection kind of earrings. If you're someone who has a lot of earrings, and I have a lot of earrings because I love earrings. But yeah, they're not all that exciting. But they are ones I see myself using, so there's that. Overall, I would say this box is far less exciting than the one I got last year. What did I get in that one? I got a necklace, a ring that I wear every time I put on my rings to this day. I've kind of run it ragged at this point. It's looking kind of janky, but I love that ring. And a pair of earrings that I do occasionally wear. So that one kind of excited me more than this one. Because even though these are like cute things, the ring is really cute. I definitely am going to be wearing this ring quite a bit. But yeah, I don't know. I just feel like these are kind of blah, if you get what I'm saying. It's hard to get that stud in there. So, I don't know. What did you guys think? Obviously, it's kind of hard to show some of these smaller items. I think after I'm done filming with the tripod, I'll go ahead and get a close-up of all the items, a close-up shot to insert like here. Here's the ring up close. You can see the design does not carry to the back. It's just on the front. I think that's pretty cute. Here's the stud earring up close. Let me see if I can focus in on that a little better. The camera's not liking this at all. So, as you can see, it's like 4 stones around the gold center point. And then here is the stud huggy combo. Here, let me put that on the box too. So there's like a gold ball design around the huggy portion and a opalescent stone. So now that you've seen everything up closer, let me know what you think. Like I said, they're all really pretty items. They're all things that I will definitely use, but I like the idea of this mystery box to get something kind of exciting and outlandish that I wouldn't necessarily think to buy for myself. But this is all stuff I probably at some point would have bought for myself eventually. Like, these look like huggies on. I'm wearing my local Eclectic huggies right now, which I love. And these just look like little studs on. From a distance, you're not going to see that that's 4 stones. I'm going to have to look up and see if I can find what all these items are. I was able to kind of find what all of them are from the last box and sort of guesstimate the worth. But yeah, like, none of it's anything all that outside of my comfort zone, I think is what's disappointing, is I probably would have picked out all these things on my own. So what is this hair doing? Yeah, I'm just I'm not disappointed I will use all this stuff, but I'm a little, I guess disappointed is the word. I am disappointed that it wasn't, you know, kind of funkier things. That said, at least I'm getting my money's worth because I know I will wear all of these things. Meh. What did you guys think? I'm contemplating doing one of these like every year, every 6 months, just to see what's going on. Because on the off chance I get something that's really left field and I don't like, I could always give it to a friend, save it for a gift, give away. So yeah, let me know. Do you like these local eclectic mystery box unboxings? I think they're kind of fun, and definitely let me know your thoughts down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye!